Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to add a channel admin in Telegram on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your PC. Step 2. Open the channel in which you want to add admins. Step 3. In the upper right corner, look for the three-dot icon and click on it. Step 4. From the options that appear, select Manage Channel. Step 5. In the next window, choose Administrators. Step 6. Click on Add Administrator. Step 7. A list of members will appear. Select the member whom you wish to promote to an admin. Step 8. Now, choose the privileges you want to grant to the new admin. Step 9. Finally, click Save to confirm the changes. That's it. You have successfully added a channel admin in Telegram on your PC. The member you selected will now have the designated privileges and responsibilities of an admin. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage and delegate tasks within your Telegram channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.